Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, seashell crafts ideas. Friends, seashells are naturally turned, so seashells carry the sound of the and with a little cavity you can turn them into beautiful crafts for your home. Today we will explore some amazing seashell crafts ideas that are simple, fun and full of charm. Let's begin with seashells candle holder. Take a glass jar or a small bowl, decorate it with the seashell on the outside and place a candle inside. When the candles glow, the shells shining beautiful, creative a warm and cozy feeling. Another lovely idea is seashell picture frame. Just take a plain wooden or cardboard frames and glue different shapes and size of seashells around it. This is a perfect way to display your rich memories. Friends, you can also make seashells from charm. The shells with stitch and hang them on a piece of driftwood, wood or bamboo. Every time the wind blows, you will hear soft gentle music from the shells. Friends, and seashell jewelry is another wonderful craft. Small shells can be turned into earring, bracelet or necklace. They look natural, stylish and remind you of the sea. From home decor, try making seashell mirror. Glue shells around the border of your mirror. Mix different sizes